This is the BK Mueller 888-575HC stem assembly for several different BK Mueller and Proline series faucets. Now with the stem assembly, it will also come with 2 packing support washers and your rubber packing. So the way these packing support washers go, we'll take a closer look at them. You can see this one here in my left hand, it's kind of got that little cone shape to it. And then this one in my right hand is almost perfectly flat. So the way these are going to go, you're going to take this flat one first. That's pretty much going to act as your base. Press that down. Your packing would follow. Then the cone shaped one, you want the cone pointing upwards towards the end of the stem, and it would secure right on top of the packing just like that. Now, we get these back off just to make it a little bit easier to measure. And then before we measure, I'm going to take a closer look here on this end of the stem at this portion called the cartridge. So at the very top of it, you see there's a collection of 2 rubber O-rings. Then coming down, you've got this hex shape here, and then it goes down to the body of that cartridge. And right below that, you've got a Phillips head screw. It goes through the end of the stem here, and then that rubber washer there. Now we can go ahead and get a total length, measuring tip to tip, so end of this cartridge all the way down to the end of the squared piece of the stem here. Get it as close as I can, and hopefully the camera can still see it. You see we're right at about 17 and right at just under 17 1/8 inches. See if I can bring it up a little closer to the camera. Probably going to be a little difficult, but I'm going to try my best. Try to get the whole stem in there and also show the overall length. See, it's right there, right at 17 1/8. Hey, and once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-575HC stem assembly for the BK Mueller and Proline faucets.